Hello friends! In this video, I intend to teach you how to register with the FXGlobe broker. You enter the Forex Broker section, select FXGlobe, and click on Go to Website. We enter the website and click on Start Investing. And in the registration section, you enter your first and last name along with an email address, country of residence, a mobile phone number, and a password. I recommend using uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. And in this section, you repeat your password for confirmation. You confirm the website's terms by ticking the box and click on Register. We enter the sign-in section. You enter your email address and password and click on Sign In. We enter our account dashboard. Our account has been created. Good luck.